Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this really simple, really easy Halloween cat makeup look that I did. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and let's get started on the tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is my foundation, and everything is already done. And I'm going to just contour my face really, strong, just because when I think of cats, I think of like those really high cheekbones. So I'm going to just go in and contour my face a little stronger than I normally would. And now for the eyes, I'm going to take a pink, well, you can use like a peachy pink, whatever kind of transition shade that you want to use. I just chose this one because this is my go-to transition shade for all my looks. And you're going to blend that outward. And now I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow and just blend that deeper into my crease. And I'm also going to blend that going outwards because we are doing a cut crease. Now I'm going to take some concealer and just cut my crease with it. And for this cut crease, I want it to be pretty big, just because, that's how cat eyes are. They're really dramatic and really pretty looking. So yeah, I'm going to cut it up really good. And now I'm taking some NYX glitter, and this is the one that is called Gold. Clearly. But before I put the glitter down, I did add on some glitter adhesive just because I wanted it to stick really good. I don't want the glitter flying everywhere. And I'm sorry, but my camera did die and cut off before I could show y'all how I did my liner and my lashes. But basically I just did a really dramatic liner, well, a wing liner, and I brought it down in the corners of my eyes just to give me more of a cat effect. And then I smoked out some of the same liner on my bottom lash line and just added on some regular lashes. And for the nose, as you can see, I'm just coloring in the bottom half of my nose. And I'm kind of leaving like a little point at the top part just to make it look more of like a cat nose. And now with that same liner, I'm going to just drag a line going down from my nose to my lips. And I'm going to outline my top lip only, and I'm going to bring it out on the inner corners, well, on the corners of my lip. I'm going to bring it out, and then I'm going to fill in my top lip with the black. I probably should have set this, but I didn't think about doing that because it kept transferring onto my bottom lip, but I edited that part out. Now I'm going to take a bobby pin and just draw the little points where the whiskers come out of the face. And then, as you can see, I'm just going to draw on 3 long whiskers. And now I take a nude lipstick and pat that on my bottom lip. And I'm going to set that with a gold eyeshadow because I want my lips and my eyes to kind of coordinate. Then I'm going to highlight my face, my cheekbones, my chin. I'm going to highlight a lot on my bottom jaw just because I want the contour to stand out a lot. Then I'm going to set that with some setting spray. And this is the final look, y'all. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.